Hi gorgeous beauties, it's Miko. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm just vlogging around. I'm about to go get something to eat with my family, and I think we're about to go to Panda Express, so I'll show you what I get. Kind of craving chow mein. I'm wearing my Juicy Couture hooded sweater. It's really cute and comfortable. It has bling in the back of the sweater. Then I'm just wearing some cute little black leggings with my boots. Carrying around my Juicy Couture barrel bag. So cute. Here at Panda Express, I got fried rice at the bottom, chow mein, and then like cabbage and broccoli. And then these yummy pomegranate drinks. My daughter got a delicious mango one. Hubby got the same pomegranate. This is his yummy food. And my daughter got some shrimp. We're gonna use our chopsticks and take out the forks. We got some chopsticks over here. Okay, beauties. This is lunch today. So I found a gingerbread house for my daughter at Food for Less. I got it for $11.99 and it's awfully cute. It says it's an easy build roof holder, which is great because I'm not an expert gingerbread house maker. The roof usually does kind of cave in after trying to put it together. So yeah, hopefully that doesn't happen. Really adorable December activities for my baby girl. Love it.
Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the...
So I was on my way to Walgreens. I had to pick up a few essentials, but as I was checking out the seasonal section, they had these really adorable makeup bags. So I picked one up for me and for my sister Marlena. I loved the little like monogram initial on here. It's so cute. And it's bordered with like really pretty like gold trim. This like Sherpa material. Really pretty. All the way around. It's just a cute little circular bag. So I wanted to add some of my stuff in it that I was going to be packing. It's just a small little dainty one. I could just like throw in my bag really quick. These were just $5. Okay, there it is, spacious inside. And the first thing I'm going to put in here is my Hello Kitty little oil blotters, compact. Okay, and then I wanted to add in my Travel Flawless Stay Foundation. That fits nice too. Then I have my Creme Shop Hello Kitty lip gloss. Look how pretty that is. How shimmery. Fabulous. Just fabulous. Glamify. Keep it glamified. And then I have my Hello Kitty perfume body spray for a quick little touch up. And then I also have my little glam puff. So I'm going to add that in there as well. And then I had my Twisted Peppermint hand sanitizer. Just after you deal with makeup and stuff like that, I always like to clean it off before I touch my phone, so I don't want to stain my phone. So it just fits like right there. Perfect. Cute little essentials bag. I'm going to leave the blender out. And I don't know if I could zipper this up with one hand. Yes, I can. Perfect. Look at that. Gorgeous little essentials bag, $5 at Walgreens. I highly recommend it. Or for a little stocking stuffer or gift for like a family member or someone at work. But really adorbs. You'll be seeing this in my what's in my bags now. Here's mine and here's my sister's. I'm going to wrap it up and stick it in her Christmas bag. M&M. Have you ladies tried one of these? Or like if you bought one for your kids? These are the Meta VR like headset. Virtual reality. This is my first time trying it. My husband just purchased this for my daughter. And him, really. But I just tried it out for the first time. These are the little hand controls. It's really nice. It's cool. It's a different experience, you know, if you like playing video games and stuff. It looks funny when you have them on, actually. But my husband's like, don't wear makeup when you try it on. I was like, okay. Look how white and clean it is. I don't blame them. I understand. But yeah, I tried it for the first time and it got me car sick. Like I feel a little bit car sick-ish. But I like this little, that's what they look like in there. Pretty interesting, the things that they'll come up with. Okay, now we just came back from Burlington and my husband bought my daughter this beautiful guest jacket. Look how pretty the hood is. Oh my goodness, my daughter wanted one with like a really furry hood, and then it even has like a really warm furry collar. It's a guest jacket. It's beautiful, really nice material. I love all the faux fur on it. Look at the design on it. It even cinches in really cute around the waist. It has these zippers right here. Let's see if they go through. They do. So you could put stuff inside of there, and it's all like felt, like feels really nice inside there. Then it even has these pockets right here. So another useful pocket in there. I just can't take it all the way down with one hand. But yeah, so 2 compartments. You could fit your cell phone in here, whatever, essentials. We are going to be going up to the snow for Christmas, so that's why we needed these warm coats. But really nice. $39.99 at Burlington. Look at the inside. That's gorgeous, right? My daughter's ready for the snow, okay? Yeah, I love it. So soft. Just beautiful. Okay, so the thing with Burlington, if you buy any coat there right now, December 7th through December 24th, so now it's time for me to take my coupon in next time that I go, you'll get 10% off if you buy any coat from there. So this is a coupon. You save your receipt and then take it back. They'll give you 10% on your next purchase. So great deal. Nice warm coat, coupon. Can't ask for anything better than that, okay? Okay, beauties, I'm going to be doing some gift wrapping. I'm starting with my sister's present, just individualizing like a bunch of little gifts and tissue paper. Really cute. My daughter's been helping me adding like the little stickers and her little cinnamon stuff. Just making it fun. My daughter made her aunt some really cute stuff in these little bags. So I have all my bags, my tissue paper, my labels, my little mini bags. I want to throw this one in there. And then I'm going to go shopping this Tuesday or Wednesday, or maybe both days, and add more to the gift, finish off my shopping, and then I am pretty much done. So I think I'll just put this cute little makeup bag and some green tissue paper. And it doesn't have a price on it. I don't like leaving the price on there. But I'll just leave the cute little tag on there that just says monogram pouch. And then I'm just kind of doing this one-handed right now with you guys. Oh, and the song that I have on right now, I don't know if you've ladies heard it, but I've been loving it and playing it a lot. It's by Kelly Clarkson. It's called Underneath the Tree. It's really good. If you haven't heard it, you should check it out. If you like Christmas songs, you know, like that. I love it when I rap. So just a little something like that. And then I'm going to add on a cute little label sticker. And then my daughter could write on it after. But just adding little stuff in here. Just stick it off the side like that. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. Absolutely loving it. And then I'll just use a new gift bag next time for the rest of her gift. But thank you, Beauty, so much for joining me today. I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much for your lovely comments always. And I hope you're having a wonderful holiday December season thus far. Talk to you soon, Beauties. Much love and hugs. Stay barbified and glamified. Happy holidays from my family to yours. Love you. Bye.